Hi, my name is Rita Garcia-Prats, and I'm a bilingual diagnostician in the state of Texas. But I have been really leaning into AI for the last 3 years, and this last week I've been playing with Fable. So here are a couple of the things that I've used to create with that model. So first is my dashboard. I have notes in Obsidian, and they are all here in my vault, so you can see the different kinds of notes that I have. Everything just grounded in assessment, research, or like information about assessments, any kind of disability eligibility things. I work in Texas, so lots of TEAC stuff. My presentations, kind of community profiles of the different types of evaluations that I would do based on the community that I'm providing service for. Anyway, those are just some examples, and all of this is linked to that knowledge base. It's my second brain essentially. So I can have general chats with it about any of these topics, write FIEs. It's trained on what I do. It'll show me obviously the date that I'm working on, any TA updates, and so it's just telling me that the last time it checked this was today, the 9th, and then it says there's no policy changes right now, which is good, and I can choose to view that page if I needed to. It will do bilingual analysis, helps me do that. Just again, really kind of the foundation of what I'm looking for between language 1 and language 2. I use CSEP, so again, helps me make sure that I'm staying within the framework. It helps me create training content, again, based on research, products that I feel like are beneficial. And then I do a lot of communicating with parents, so this is something that I would absolutely use. The other thing that I have been building is this assessment tool. It's a planner, so it's more for newer diagnosticians, or if you're switching districts potentially, you would choose the eligibility, obviously the student's age, the areas of concern. You can toggle that on or off, whether they're emergent bilinguals or not will give you different options. This is what my district owns. I pick the one that I want here, and obviously it has achievement and then oral language, because I did say that it was an emergent bilingual. I use CSEP, but if you use cross battery, it'll change it up just a little bit. It shows what curriculum based model measures I might have or benchmarks, and then it's giving me kind of an estimate of what the evaluation should take, kind of separated out by sections. The cool thing about this is that it'll tell you, like, for basic reading skills, you can use these subtests, but you already have some information in this area where you might not need to get norm testing. Anyway, I'm excited about it. It's just in the testing phases, but yeah, AI, it's a tool. Not a glorified Google for me anymore.